All right, hello, sixth graders. Today you're going to start writing a practice essay, and I'm going to walk you through every step of it to help prepare you for writing your own essay independently that will be graded. So this practice is very important. You will need your Lightning Thief book, and you'll need this document open. If you go to our class page, click on the Week 16 tab, on the right side, you'll see this document. It's called Compare and Contrast Essay Plan Practice. You'll need to have your screen split so that you can look at the practice document and this video at the same time. Remember to split your screen. You're going to hit the Alt key, ALT, and you're going to hit the bracket that's to the right of the letter P. Hit the Alt and the bracket key at the same time, and that will split your screen. You'll want to see this video and your practice essay in front of you at the same time. So I'm going to walk you through every step of this practice. We're going to start with the similarities. So in this practice, we're going to focus on the Medusa scene of the book and the movie. You should have a Venn diagram where you compared the two. That might help you, but I'm going to go ahead and just give you the information, and I want you to just type it into this document, copy exactly what I am doing. So on your document, you should be in paragraph number 2, similarities. We're actually going to start with our book evidence. So one similarity we found in the book and the movie is that in both of them, Percy cuts off Medusa's head. So in our book, we see evidence for that on page 183. So I'm going to start my evidence by saying on page 183 of The Lightning Thief, it says, if yours underlined and bolded like mine did, you'll want to highlight that, get rid of the bold, get rid of the underline. You want the page number, capital letter to start your sentence, capitalize the book title, and remember we italicize book titles. And then the evidence we see on page 183 says, I slashed up with my sword. Heard a sickening schmuck. Then a hiss, like wind, rushing out of a cavern. The sound of a monster disintegrating. This evidence shows that Percy killed Medusa. So on page 183 of The Lightning Thief, it says, and go ahead and copy that evidence word for word. And then for movie evidence, we are just going to start by saying in this scene of the movie, there's no page number for movies, so we just start our evidence for the movie by saying in this scene of the movie, and then in our own words, we need to just explain what happened. So I'm going to explain the scene from the movie by saying Percy comes from behind Medusa and cuts off her head. So in both pieces of evidence, we see that Percy cut off Medusa's head. Explanation. You see this question that says, how does this show that the movie clip and the chapter are different? Different is a typo, so we want to change that to similarity. And we're going to restate and answer that question to answer it. Sorry, we want to change it to similar, not similarity. So to restate and answer that question, we're going to start by getting rid of our question words. We get rid of how, we get rid of does. And we're going to say this shows that the movie clip and the chapter are similar because, and then in my own words, I need to explain. And so I'm just going to say, because Percy cuts off Medusa's head in both the movie and the book. And again, if your text bolded and underlined like mine did, just go ahead and change that so it's not bolded or underlined. This explanation again restates and answers this question: how does this show that the movie clip and the chapter are similar? And that is your chance to use your own words to explain how this evidence proves that Percy cut off Medusa's head. All right, so we're going to jump back up to our topic sentence. And we are going to, that's our main idea of the paragraph. We want our reader to know what this paragraph is going to be about. This paragraph is about a similarity, so we need to get that idea in our topic sentence. And this paragraph specifically is about the similarity between how Medusa is taken care of. So that idea needs to get into our topic sentence also. I'm going to start my topic sentence by saying one similarity between this scene in the book and in the movie is how Medusa is killed. Your topic sentence should be a big idea, which means it should be general enough that the reader still needs to keep reading the paragraph to learn more. So by saying that there's a similarity between how Medusa is killed, we need to keep reading in order to find out how she was killed in the book and the movie in order to see how that was similar. Just make sure your topic sentence is a big general idea. Your details come in your evidence. All right, so I'm going to give you some time to copy this onto your practice essay if you haven't already, and then click to go to the next Edpuzzle video, and we'll move on to the differences paragraph.